All right, guys, we're going to be pairing a pair of hearing aids to an Android phone. So we have a charger, the hearing aids, and the phone. So first, let's take a look over here at this Android phone. You need to go to the settings of the phone. There's a shortcut here. We're going to pull down from the top right, and you're going to locate this little gear up here at the top. Okay, so we're going to push that little gear and open the settings. The Bluetooth is under connections. You see Bluetooth. So we're going to click there. It's going to pull up this connections list. Click on the Bluetooth here. Now, let me show you something. Don't click over here. That's just going to turn the Bluetooth off. Click on Bluetooth. Okay. So I want you to notice we have the hearing aids paired to the phone. You've got two sections, the paired devices and the available devices. Okay. So what we're doing here is we are going to refresh this pairing because Joe is having some trouble with his phone calls going in and out from one ear to the other and not staying connected to his phone when he's on a phone call streaming. This can happen when there is an update on your Android phone. For whatever reason, the Bluetooth pathway has been interfered with. So we need to clear that data out and start a fresh pairing just to get it a nice fresh start so that maybe they'll stay connected more consistently. This is a little bit difficult with most hearing aid brands and dealing with Android phones. So we're going to go ahead and walk through that process. So it says they're both connected, but they are going back and forth for him. Please disregard the fact that this is my child's phone. It's not a streaming phone, but yours is an S, and it is a streaming phone. So we're going to clear these out. We're going to click the settings right next to the hearing aid. Okay, we're going to go down to the bottom. Oh my goodness. We're going to say unpair. See down at the bottom where it says unpair? We're going to be clicking unpair. That unpair pop-up will come up. We're going to say unpair. So notice that hearing aid disappeared from that paired list. There is only one left. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to do the same thing on the second one. I'm going to click the settings, and I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I'm going to hit unpair, and make sure you unpair on the pop-up. And notice both of those hearing aids have now disappeared from that paired device list. All right. So before you hit scan to find those hearing aids again, before you do that, you're going to go over here to the charger. Take your hearing aids. It's hard to do this with one hand. And you're going to put them on the charger. There you go. Make sure you see them start blinking or whatever the indicator is that you have, because that is indicating that they are charging and powered down. All right, so let that go for a couple of seconds. Take them off the charger, and they're going to power back up on their own. Just like any other Bluetooth connection, when you power the device back on, it becomes visible to other devices for a Bluetooth connection. So we're going to go over here, we're going to hit scan, and there's those hearing aids. They popped up on that list, okay? So remember, it is very important to put the hearing aids on the charger and take them off and restart those devices so that they become visible again here and everything is a clear, fresh start. So we're going to click on that first hearing aid, and at the bottom you'll see that pair pop up, excuse me. You'll hit pair, okay? And notice how that hearing aid goes from being available to moving up onto that paired device list. So it is now listed as a paired device. So you're going to want to get that done and then go to the second one pretty quickly after and do the same thing. Make sure you click that pair pop up at the bottom, and you're going to see that hearing aid move from the available devices up into the paired devices. So now they are both reconnected to the phone with a completely fresh new pairing for connection. So if you take a look, see how it has connect and unpair. Just make sure you understand that these are two different things, right? You cannot connect, meaning sending that sound from your phone to your hearing aids, that communication, without the devices recognizing each other and becoming friends. So when you pair them together, they become friends. So they're able to share information via connecting. Also, you may want to rename your hearing aids. That's a good idea too. Sometimes, well, I don't know how you would do. Well, you know what? It should say when they are programmed to a person, they should have identifiers that say left and right. For most brands, they do. Okay, so that is my pairing video for you, Joe. And anybody else that sees this, I'm going to post this online for everybody else. Have a great day. Good luck. Happy pairing.